Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a very special unboxing for us, or unbagging in this case. Today I received my package from Marta from Maremi SmallArt. Marta is an amazing YouTuber that at one point a couple months ago asked to basically have us send products to her for her to play around with and create with. So I talked to her and I actually asked her if I could send her a full box. Originally that was the plan. She wanted full boxes, and then after hearing from some of the people she decided to do just little bits here and there, and then she was going to combine the boxes or bags to do projects. So I actually sent her a full box, and it was a very full box. I will link it here for you. And basically this is what she created, which you can see in her videos. They are amazing. I am so excited to be opening this today. You'll see these butterflies over here. They were actually on the front of the package. I took them off because I wanted you to be able to see them, plus I'll reuse them without seeing my address basically. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. She actually wrapped them, so I'm super excited to see what's inside these wrapping. It's very pretty wrapping paper. First up, I love these flowers. Basically, she just puts little thank yous in her packages when she ships them out from her store, and I love to cut these out, fussy cut these and use them as embellishments. You probably see in my last video I used some of the butterflies. So I'm super excited that she sent me these little thank you cards. They're also great for bookmarks. She did 4 little projects, so I'm not sure which one's which, but we'll just open up this first one. Very pretty packaging, as you can tell. Very pretty butterflies. I will try to save the butterflies, and of course I rip it right away because that's what I do. Let's see. Yeah, so I lost that one, but that's okay. I can still use bits and pieces of it. So first up looks like these smaller pieces. So I'm super excited to see these up close. These were just little pieces of wood and then pieces of acrylic that came from I have a blank shop, Blankety Blanks, that I just sent her some of the items from there. Looks like she created it on 10 December. She stamped it for me. Very cool. It says Into the Unknown. I really love how she did this. How pretty is that? Okay, next up is the other one, also on 10 December. It's so pretty. So she used the little heart shape that I sent her, and then the teeny tiny hearts as well, and it's on the wood piece. I knew she loved to do little small art pieces, so that's what I sent her, some of these little pieces of wood, pieces of acrylic, things like that. So super excited that she sent this to me, and I love that she stamped it. I'll always know when she made it. I'm definitely keeping these. I think this one is probably the journal, or maybe that's the journal. So let's open it up. These butterflies do not want to be saved. Either that or I'm just too excited to open these. Okay. Alright, this is the journal. Definitely packaged this with care. It came a long way. I am in the United States, in Texas, so she had to send them all the way to me. so happy that we did this, Marta. This is way more than I ever would have even imagined. It is amazing. It is gorgeous. You are amazing. And you really didn't have to send these back to me, but I'm so excited that you did. So I love that. Oh, and the other 2 pages are in here as well. So here is, oh wow. So they look stunning on her videos and her pictures, but I have to tell you that is even more stunning in person. I can't even believe that this was the same napkin. I mean, I have this napkin here on my shelf, and I never would have imagined making something this pretty. Look at the stencil on that. I love it. I love it. And these will definitely go in this book. And here is another one. Never would have imagined this could come from those papers. And that's also a napkin, one of these. Looks like she did all those videos on 10 December. So I am super, super excited. And just to show you, Marta, I have plenty of these rings lying around. So it really did not matter that one got lost in the shuffle of your house, of your craft studio. Oh, looks like it fits perfect. So there you go. And I will cherish this journal. I will not give it away. This is my personal journal. I might be intimidated to use it, but I will absolutely use it. I love it. And I love these pages. But these pages are here. And then what is this? What did you do, Marta? Alright, let's see if I can get away with saving one of the butterflies out of all of these. And I love this packaging too. I will definitely reuse that. No way. Oh my god, Marta. So first up is a beautiful little card. It says, thank you so much for taking part in this crazy challenge. Love, Marta. And then she sent me some of her products. I love it. So her new stamps. So these are brand new in her store. They are gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god. Marta, these are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Ooh, and an awesome new stencil. I love it. I don't have any of her stencils yet. I definitely plan on getting some. I'm super excited to have this one. This is one of my favorites that she uses, along with that brick one. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Oops. My water bottle. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And I love that her name is on the stencil, so it can still go on my in my collection, and I don't have to worry about forgetting whose stencil it is. And then she sent me some papers. A Melissa Francis cardstock stickers. Oh, those are gorgeous. I'm not familiar with Melissa Francis, but I will definitely have to look her up. These are amazing. 13 Arts. These will look so good with your stamps, Marta. Oh, I love this vintage photos. I always try to find vintage photos whenever I go to flea markets or farmers markets or whatever. And they always want so much money for it. Like, I can't bring myself to pay that much money for somebody I don't know that I'm just going to use in a craft book anyways. So I love this. And that's a sticker page. So how cool is that? Thank you so much, Marta. Definitely didn't have to send them back to me. You definitely didn't have to send me your amazing brand new stamps. I'm so excited. Everybody check out Marta's store. I will post the link below. and I can't wait to start using this. So definitely it's time to create. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's a glare. There we go. Can you see those? I didn't even notice the glare. I'm sorry about that. I was just so excited to see all the stuff that I just didn't even look at the camera. Do you see how cool that is? I have to tell you, I love, love, love these, but this is my favorite. This butterfly has, it's hard to show. Let's see if I can turn this off real quick. There you go. It's hard to show in my current light, but there is words behind the butterfly. It says live, love, laugh, dream, inspire, believe, encourage. It's so cool. All the things that she's done and created on her own with her collection. So, and I love these little cogs too. So there you have it. My wonderful new collection from Marta, along with these amazing art journal and small art items. So thanks for watching. Sorry about the lighting. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button. If you don't, then hit that down button. Subscribe if you're not already, if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.